Hello guys, welcome back to Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to send video as snaps on your Snapchat. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here into the App Store and you have to search for an app named LMK. You have to search at the top and you will be getting the app. So you just have to click on the download button so it'll get completely downloaded. So as you can see that now on my device it is getting downloaded. So let me go back to the home screen. So now as you can see that it is already done. So once after downloading you have to follow the next very clear instruction. So now you have to tap on the LMK. You have to open this and you have to go for allow and give allow once again, and you have to click on sign in with Snapchat. You have to sign in with Snapchat and go for OK so that it will get signed in into Snapchat and you'll be able to go and click on the continue to continue hereafter. And also you just have to wait for a short periods of seconds until, as you can see, it is getting loaded up. So now you have to click on OK. Once again click on OK and once again click on OK, and make sure that you are on the Q&A page, right? So now from here you have to click on the plus icon at the top and you have to make sure you have been rolled out to the poll page, and from here you have to click on camera icon. Now you have to select the respective video. So I'm going to select the respective one. So I'm going to click on choose here at the bottom. Now what I have to do is, this is how it looks like, and now I have to click on post it to Snapchat, right? So now it will get loaded up in between and it will be redirected to the Snapchat. As you can see that you will be getting this, and now you have to remove this one by bringing them to the down and click on to the delete icon, so it will be completely removed. And this is the video which I am going to share right now, and I'm going to click on the icon at the blue icon and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to select the respective person whom I want to chat, and I'm going to send this up. So what happens is, as you can see that if you go to this chat history, as you can see, it is being delivered, which means the respective video is being sent as a snap onto them as in on your Snapchat. So that's what it's all about it. So this is about how to send a video as a snap on the Snapchat. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos like this. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.